Hey guys, Sarg here, coming at you with CaptainBacon, and we are here to show you our very first gun review. It is an M85 Airsoft gun. It kind of looks like a G36. I bought it at Dr. Flea's down in Toronto. It's a market kind of, and it can go semi-automatic, full auto. It came with a laser grip suppressor strap, as you see, and a scope, and also a flashlight. And that's pretty much it.
So we are going to be firing it at these boxes here. So yeah, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe, and comment what you want us to review next. So here goes. Sarg is shooting.
This is semi-automatic right here. And switching full auto. And that's pretty much it.
So thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get more reviews and some other sports stuff. So see you later.